Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the DVR and unplugging the AC to avoid shorts and data corruption. Once done, label each cable so you maintain channel mapping. This prevents swapping feeds later. Use a flashlight and grab a small screwdriver and needle nose pliers on the side. Now, approach the DVR ports, identify the target camera cable, and remove any zip ties or cable management clips. Make sure you free slack so the connector can be accessed without tugging on the. You now identify the connector type and how it secures to the DVR. For BNC, press the collar and twist counterclockwise while pulling straight out. For RCA, grip the metal barrel and pull. For RJ45 network plugs, depress the plastic tab before extracting. While you work, support the cable within 1 to 2 inches of the connector to prevent internal wire damage. If there's a threaded coupling, use the correct screwdriver to loosen first. Then back the connector out slowly to protect the port. Once the cable is removed, cap or tape exposed ends to keep dirt out and route the cable back into management clips so it won't snag. Reconnect AC power and boot the DVR, then verify the camera channel mapping and camera settings to ensure nothing shifted. If the feed fails, make sure you reseat the connector firmly and confirm power to the camera. Troubleshooting tip: if no image appears, swap the labeled cable back temporarily to a known working port to isolate whether the issue is cable, camera, or DVR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.